Good morning children, I am Mrs. S. Ocha. Today I am going to teach you moral from your annual syllabus which chapter number is 11 and chapter name is Be Patient. Patient. First of all, what is patient? To tolerate or suffer without becoming angry is known as patient. Patient is a quality of human being. By the patience, human can do anything. Remember a point, have patience in all things, but first of all with yourself. It is very important. Now, I am going to narrating the story. At the deepest depth of great mountain, in a huge labyrinth of tunnels created by the great wizard, there lived imprisoned. Imprisoned means cat. The worst of beasts, horrible creature who all knew a Maso, the werewolf. In that mountain there was a tunnel having the lots of channels. Means it is like just no one can escape from the tunnel. If one time a person is entered in the tunnel, then it is automatically forget the way of out coming from the tunnel. Okay, so and there it is created by the werewolf and wizard. Wizard means a person who having a magical power. Means there in the tunnel there was there were lots of monsters and wicked peoples. Okay, so it is a horrible also, and the monster is always trying to terrorizing the people of the kingdom. Okay, but it was a magical tunnel with only one entrance and exit, which changed its position every day. Okay, so it is a magical tunnel and only one exit and entry point, and it is changed every day. But it so happened that there arrived in that land a man of wicked heart, extremely mischievous. His name is Nevilath. Nevilath is a person who has a bad heart and he wants to rule the entire kingdom. So he decided to take help from the monster, and he decided he will go in the tunnel. Okay, so Nevilath traveled to great mountain accompanied by all his slaves. There were many of them, and they were so afraid of their master that they did not take long to find the entrance of labyrinth. One of these slaves, a very wise man, found out how to know the location of exit each day from outside. One Nevilath was inside the mountain. Okay children, so in that that slaves of Nevilath, one person is very wise man who has found the way how to enter in the tunnel and how to exit from the tunnel. Okay, so only one thing more. My lord said that slaves, after explaining the system, when you are going to exit, so only one word thing more, my lord said that slaves, after explaining the system, when you are going to exit from the labyrinth, you should wait until the night time. Okay, be sure not to come out during the day, because the exit way is only open in the night time. And wise man said to Nevilath, you have to exit only the night time, and if you are sure that is night time, then you are trying to exit. Okay children, So, and Nebuleth actually want to take help from the werewolf. Werewolf means a person who is become man in daytime and in a night time will become wolf. So it is known as werewolf. He wants to terrorizing the his peoples and kingdoms peoples, and he wants to rule the overall kingdom. He wants to become a king. So that's why he is going to enter the tunnel. Okay, children. So when he entered in the tunnel, he shouted and calling to the monster and explaining to the monster his intention. Nebuleth would free him from the labyrinth if in return Amaso would add Nebuleth's services, terrorizing and torturing the people. So Amaso is a werewolf. He agreed the Nebuleth plans and he agreed the Nebuleth plans, and the people there until they accepted Nebuleth as king and become his slaves. The monster shouted his agreement with Nebuleth's plan, since all the ones wanted to do was escape from the labyrinth and wreak his revenge. Okay, then after several days, they found each other amid the blackest darkness. Means after several days he stay in the tunnel. Nebuleth found he has surrounded the darkness, deepest darkness. Okay, so he is trying to come out from the tunnel. Okay, then his wise man has a great idea to come out from the tunnel to Nebuleth. Remember, filled with impatience, wicked Nebuleth sat down to wait, but beast, seeing itself free at last, okay, did not want to listen, talk about forgetting their agreement. Monster forget their agreement, and he think I am totally free. Okay. From inside, Nebuleth heard Amaso treble screams of agony, and he was scared but also needed to go and see what had happened to the beast. And though he still remembered his slave's words, he decided to go out. As soon as it touched Nebuleth's face, the sunlight and the light of thousands mirrors that the wise slaves have placed around the exit to eliminate that spot. Okay, so thousands of mirrors that the wise man had placed around to eliminate that spot. Means at one time the wise man placed the light of mirrors, thousands of mirrors at the exit point. By this, everybody will become blind and also defenseless against the light. Okay, and then Nebuleth come out from the tunnel, come out from the cave. Okay, then and monsters and wicked peoples, they entered inside, and they become clumsy and impatient and blind. Okay, so this is the and after some time, just they remained contentment, means just like needy people, because they are wandering here and there with their blindness. Okay, and they cannot do anything, and they just like the night creatures. So this is the story about the Nebulith patients, and how to come out from, how to enter inside the tunnel, and how to come out from the tunnel. Okay, so always we should be keep patience, not become the impatience. Okay, children. So this is the story. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.